Hey everybody, it's Vacationeer Tom with Elena and Sophia way in the background. Today we're heading over to the Florida State Fairgrounds for the State Fair. Never been to it, none of us have. Very excited to check it out. So it ought to be an interesting experience if we can get across this road. That would really be the key. So join us for this State Fair adventure. Elena's so far back, so yeah, let's go. Let's go. That'll have to do. It's about 10 till. I got the metal detectors here set up. We bought our tickets online beforehand. It was a flash sale months and months ago for $5 per person, so I got that. So let's wait and go inside and check out the State Fair. All right, we're in. Somebody basically said turn left and just go around, so I guess that's what we'll do. We've never been here before, so we'll just follow the crowd. Looks like some people are going inside the exhibition hall or whatever that is, or entertainment center. Others are coming around here, including going in this building. Ooh, a forklift. Oh wow. Look at this chopper.
Know about that.
All right, Elena, look like you're
I randomly.
perfecto. Yeah. Put the emergency brake on. That's the Uber. Wow, look at the big Smoky. He's humongous. So I got donut burger, which sounds nasty, pina colada, French fries, lemonade, mozzarella fingers, cheddar nuggets.
Oh my God.
Mexican street corn. Oh, yes. I love it.
In afternoon. Oh, turkey leg.
Yes, your turkey. Look at them. They're all cooking. Oh my God, Elena. Look at them. Look at them, Elena. Those are huge. Oh my God. I want the Mexican street corn. Oh, they got Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Yes. Yes. Cracker country. Huh. Oh, how weird. What's this? It's like an old West scene or something. Boiled peanuts. Oh, look, he makes stuff out of wood. Honey for sale. Hello, hello. This recreation of a church cemetery displays headstones. Okay, so this is just this is not real. Willie. And this is a church. This is a recreation of a church.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, very nice. Hello.
Hello, welcome to our church.
Thank you. Very nice. Good morning.
It was originally whitewashed, that's why you see the white.
Oh, okay.
It was a schoolhouse, but it turned into a church in 1946, so I don't know the year that it was built. I'll have to find out.
And it was moved
here,
here.
circa 1900. It was.
So
yeah.
is it here year round?
Oh yes, so all of the buildings. In 1978, the Florida State Fairgrounds decided that they were going to have a permanent home here.
Okay, so
And
this is
they,
year
So
year
they
round.
bought the fairgrounds, and then the Carlton family bought these 4 acres,
Oh,
and they
okay.
endowed it as a museum. So we're open during the year for field trips. We had 29,000 children come through last year on
okay.
field trips. We're open to the public during the fair, and then we have a Christmas event and a Halloween event. But otherwise, we're closed to the public.
I'll have to come by and check out the Halloween and Christmas event.
Oh yeah, we do spooky tales.
Oh, that's awesome.
We have lanterns, and we go building to building.
Oh
and
my
different
God,
Florida
yes.
legends.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And
I
then
love
at Christmas, we have vendors, and we decorate with non-traditional, for now,
Yes.
like traditional in the 1900 decorations.
Oh my
Like
God.
greenery, bows,
Nice.
flowers, that type of
That's awesome.
That's awesome.
Well, we'll definitely be back. Oh, they have dry goods. A store.
Welcome to the Terry Store.
Hello, thank you very much.
Yep. This one was built in the early 1800s in Fort White, Florida.
Oh, okay.
Canned goods as early as the 1860s.
Oh, wow.
So these labels are replicas of the original labels. And they didn't have a lot of currency here, so they used a bartering system. So maybe I grew oranges and brought in oranges and eggs from my chickens.
Yeah.
And then I'd take home maybe some coffee beans and a bag of flour.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Worms. That's the person who has no skill at all, like back in those days. Like, if I can't do anything else, I can dig up worms and bring in, try to barter. I bet you took a lot of worms, though, to get an apple. Oh, this is a schoolhouse. What's that smell? Something burning. Oh, wow, they have an animatronic.
And this year, in 1912, we transferred all the way to Key West.
Sophia, can you do the math up there? The math. You can do that?
Gee, I forgot.
Wow, that's amazing.
How did you forget Andrew Jackson? I thought he was president.
We could spend many more hours here in this old town, but instead we're gonna go back and hit the fair because this is year round, and I definitely want to come back for that Halloween and even possibly the Christmas event. Sounds pretty cool. Of course, you always get your kettle corn. So let's go back out to the fairgrounds and see what else is here. That was definitely cool. Florida Fish and Wildlife. Let's see what's inside this building. Oh, now there's no line. I was gonna get the pickled lemonade they had, but they only had one size. It was $10 for pickled lemonade. That's a little much for a lemonade, especially a pickled lemonade. Oh, hello, he likes the light. Where's he trying to go? It's like, let me out of here. Look, he's trying to get through the gate or the fence. Where are you going, man?
Okay, water.
Go get some water.
This water.
Get some water.
Tigre.
You thirsty? Get some water, buddy. I want to see the turtle drink. No, he's not. He's gonna get his paw in it. Ah, you got your foot in that. You're a hot mess, man. Bacon waffle burger. Oh yeah, we can go in. Oh, specialty sliders. Those look interesting. Creative living. Oh, okay. Well, that's certainly something. Sewing, crafts, fiber, okay. Aquarium competition. Okay. Photography. Oh, okay, so they already won. Yeah, where's the SpongeBob at? Okay, got first place. This one's super cute, look. It's second place. All right, we're back outside where the real action is. Chicken grill. Pineapple whip. Oh, pizza. Elena, they got the pizza. Look at the slide, Sophia. For something as low tech as this needs to be, it's got the screen, lights. There they go. Oh, I want this. I think maybe because of the wind, it's down. Steak on a stick. Steak on a steak. That sounds like something coming soon. Mexican grill. What's in here? You guys want to check out this? Oh, this looks like our place to be, mi amor. Look at all this stuff. Oh my God. So nice. It's like blown glass stuff. It's super cool. Oh, mi amor. A flying piggy for you. Ah, perfecto. Look how cute. Adopt a dragon. Oh, they look very scary. Rawr. Those are cute. $10. Oof, that thing's... Ah, there's a dragon inside it. That's cute. Yeah, they all move. Oh, I just knocked him over. Well, he's a tougher one to stand. There he goes. Easy. Some cool little wooden pull and billiards halls, Santa's workshop, a hen house. Oh, my water's spilling. Harley. Oh, here's Santa's workshop so you can see better. Oof, $625. Woo. That's cool. Fudge. $5 a block, or take a box. Any 6 for $25. Buy 5, get 1 free. Fudge always does. They always do that with fudge. Oh. Oh, macaroni. Yeah, that's cool, huh? Look at that one. That's pretty cool. Peanut butter pumpkin. Oh, these are all... I wanted that for me. The peanut butter pumpkin. I know it's for dog. No bien, I want it for me. No, for me. A tutu. These like little puzzles. That's cute. See. Very cool. Sophia. I like the puzzles. The giraffe's very difficult.
It's cute.
Yeah. You slay my heart. I only dream of you. You float my boat. I'd kill for you. Be mine. I ended up buying a family thing for my parents. It will be awesome. It'll be ready in about 90 minutes. So we have shopping to be done. Oh, Yingling. Hello, hello, hello. Let's get one. Ice cold Yingling at the fair. Yummy, yummy. No idea what I just paid for it. I scanned the card. They didn't give me a receipt or anything. Oh, look at the ice cream. This is like the Vegas version of food cart world, you know? All the lights, like, food carts. Cinnamon rolls. Tater tots. Strawberry shortcake. Strawberries and cream cinnamon roll. Bacon cinnamon roll. There's a stage. They have a petting zoo.
You need to pay for it?
Probably, yeah.
No, I don't. No. Yeah,
Look, we can't take food in. You have fun petting the animals?
she will buy for home one.
You want to buy bunnies for home? First, you got to buy a home. Aw, it's a goat. Bah. Nice. Very nice. What is this thing? Please do not touch. A hay bale art. Yeehaw! This is like the ones you got that got the Bad Bunny concert. Yeah, Bad Bunny.
Oh, that's actually so cool. Oh, you're mad. Oh, I see it. That's kind of
I'm gone country all day long. This hat's way too big for me. Howdy, Pilgrim. It's grande. Me see? Yeah. Uh-oh, she sees a rabbit. Get excited. Bad Bunny? Or just Bunny? Oh, they got chickens and... Oy vey. Oh yeah, they do have rabbits. Sophia. Mucho bunnies.
Well, this one.
Oh, rabbits and chickens can and do bite. That is just too cute. These ones.
What is?
You, sir, are foul. Holy cow, Batman. Oh, hello. See. Very cute. That cow over there is strawberry milk. Let's do the wall of death.
Come on down. Just imagine you're kicked back in your living room watching some TV or something, and some maniac fires up his motorcycle.
death. Here's some bicycle people over here. There's a circus tent way over yonder. I think the Demolition Derby's right here. All right, we're here for the Demolition Derby. Let's go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Go 81!
Number 10, let's go!
Oh!
Look at that steal!
Good contact already.
Come on, number 10! Get your ass moving! No!
Run, Sevens, run!
Oh, where's he coming from?
Come on, 10! Let's go!
Not number 81!
Nick 9 with a good shot on the front end.
Come on, yeah, 10!
Oh, poor 81!
Chase him! Yes! Hit him!
Oh, the 0-1 with a big contact on that front side. You're going to be watching. I know, Sevens is out now, too.
Woo! I'm still waiting!
The front end has the motor, the radiator, and the drive tires. So
Woohoo! Let's go, 10! Yeah!
Go 81!
Come on, 10! Get him! Get him! Yes! Look at him! Look at him! Look at him! He's got him! He's got him! Flip up!
No, Sevens is down. Front end of the 3 by that 81.
Come on, 10! I need to win some money! Woo! Come on, 10!
Almost coming up. The 6-9 side airbag. Good contact.
Oh, no, back up! Come on, go, go, go! Come on, 10!
Smells like first ball going down here.
Woo!
Good contact again.
Head up, collision!
For the day. Again, we might be down to 4.
Go 81! 81's
Yeah!
fine. You gotta level up the stuffed animal.
Come on, 10!
Go stuffed animal!
Come on! Get him! Yes! Yes! Get him! Yes! Hit him!
Number 4's coming around. Trying to get it. Looking for another big run.
Yes!
Got an 81 on the 3 as well. The 0-1 coming back.
Come on!
Good contact from the front contact on the 81.
Nino, down, Nino!
And you gotta line it up.
Do it! Woo!
Right side.
Go 81!
Big contact by the number 4 again.
I think I won!
Side.
Oh no, look at
Contact on the 3.
What is he?
Yeah, Clay's 3.
We all wanted 3, that's not fair.
We are down to 2 more stuff right here.
Look at him go!
Number 4's smoking pretty good. He's got to make a move. He's got to get some contact.
Yeah, 4's smoking.
They still have some power in them, though. We're going to get some good contact.
Come on, take out 3!
Who's going to line up the shot?
No, not my 81!
He's got the chance. He's got to double around and try to make contact. Number 3's got to make some moves. 3 and 4. As well.
Oh my God! Smoke! All right, back it up, back it up. Go 81!
If they break loose, we're gonna see. Got a lot of smoke coming out of front end of the 8.
Oh no! Here we go!
They might not be able to get it fired back up though. Number 3 still running out there. A great show by the 81 though. Hard contact on the 4. Might be done for the 3. 3 needs to make contact with the file and then we're gonna have our winner. Victory going home to the number 3. Well, here's again a great show by each and every one of them out there. Let them hear it.
3 wins. All right, that was your first Demolition Derby. What do you think, Sophia? You like it smashing cars.
It's crazy.
That's about as redneck as you can get, so there you go. We did the Wall of Death, then Demolition Derby. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, there's a casino right there. Viking ship. Oh, look. Jungle Man. George of the Jungle Madness. Takes 4 tickets. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Cheesesteak, sausage. Hot fresh pizza. Love it. Mario.
Yeah, but I don't want
Corn in a cup. We got corn in a cup, a sausage. Sophia got a cheesesteak, it looks like. Here, we can eat over here. Some tables right here. Guess that's the best we can do. It's good. All right, that was the cheesesteak and the hot sausage, or the, I guess, Italian sausage, and the street corn in a cup. Very good. You like? Very, very good. Oh! That's not a wild mouse. It's an interesting coaster. Super Cyclone. Interesting. Buttered sweet corn. Yeah, that's a different type of pizza.
They have a Mexican street corn pizza.
See? Yeah, I see. I don't see any beer. Giant cheese stick. Oh, no, that's pepperoni. No. All right, this booth, I got a sausage and pepperoni pizza and a street corn pizza and a water. It was $19, so there you go. I need a beer. I don't know where to get a beer around here, but I will find it for sure. right, go for it, girl. Good? Un bite? It's okay. You do love corn on pizza. This looks good. Okay, they're both good. Not too shabby. Oh, there goes something. The Music Express, a Cyclops, chicken on a stick, something over here, a tornado. I don't know what that is. What? Yeah, boy. Mirror maze. I want a haunted house one. Another boat. Oh yeah, you ride the bull. Elena wants to go ride the bull. No bracelet, no ticket, one ride. $10. Very expensive. What is this? Planet Rock and Roll. That's cool. I don't think those kids know half of those songs that are in that. Oh, look at this one, Sophia. Oh my God, the huge duckies. So good. One ring, $5, 3 for 10. Very nice. Oh my God, are you serious? You could win a goldfish. Oh my God, that is incredible. I love it. Where's a dime toss? I want a dime toss. You throw a dime into a cup or a plate and you get it.
Over here, guys.
Oh, this is Superman. This is ready for Six Flags to be installed immediately. Another Music Express. Wow. I think this is the third one. Is there a Wild Mouse? Another bull ride for another $10. They're not afraid of duplicating stuff, for sure. Oh, they have a double carousel. Look. 2 levels. Love it. Lovey-dovey, the double carousel. Bacon, that's all you gotta say. Bacon on a stick, bacon mac and cheese, chocolate bacon, you name it. There's Candy Factory over yonder. More pizza. Yeah, let's go this way. The Lost City. So big. Oh, horses. So cute. Pony rides. $10 cash only. Double Hump Ranch.
Oh my God, this line?
Oh, you get to ride the camel.
Yes.
Oh my God. That is crazy. Well, I think that's going to wrap up our day at the State Fair. What a crazy place to go. Elena, your first time at the State Fair. What do you think?
It's so good. It's experience, nice. Very
You
nice.
want to come back next year?
Yes.
Yes. Sophia, what do you say?
I like.
You like, yes.
Nice.
You like all the animals.
Yeah.
Yes. I like the Demolition Derby. The caros crushing each other. But yeah, super fun. Interesting food, beer, crafts. But yeah, we're gonna get the heck out of here while we can. Looks like a storm might be rolling in. Can't tell. The breeze is nice. I missed the pig race, but I saw a Demolition Derby, so I can't complain. But I guess that is it for this adventure. So until the next live stream, podcast, or vlog, keep making State Fair memories. Thank you. Yes. Ciao. Thanks for watching the Vacationers Podcast YouTube channel. If you enjoy this content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you'll be notified when new content drops. Also, swing by vacationerspodcast.com for vlogs, videos, and much more, including links to listen to our podcast, Vacationers, Theme Parks, and more. Or you can find it on your favorite podcast streamer. Would you like to know what I'm up to? Well, follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter, where I post anytime I am out and about. Well, that's probably enough plugging for now. So until the next live stream, podcast, or vlog, keep making memories.